I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in the website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, this is the website. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. I would add your photos in the gallery link. And also, if you have any other services that you want to add, you can add it here on this link. Yes, and of course your contact details together with a map and about the company. We can add it here, and some maybe testimonials from your client here too. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Asian Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Yeah. Talk to you soon.